All right, welcome back, everybody. We are back here for another live stream. We're going to wait for everybody to get back in. Put out a couple videos today. Make sure you go check those out. We're going to pull up some notes here, get going. Came on a little bit early. Set up a couple things here. Set the thumbnail. Hope everybody's having a good day. Of course, you can always watch this back. I know I talked to Mark, one of our people who always comes in chat. He's not going to be able to make it in tonight, but he said he was going to watch the replay. He gave me some golden nuggets too, so I'm going to drop those later on once we get rolling here. All right. Welcome back, everybody. We're taking a look at the coin market cap right now for the day. All right, Bitcoin below 50 right now, 49.7. Ethereum still up above 4. You know, Ethereum earlier today was up 13-14%. Now it's back to about 7-8%. Dogecoin has been on nice movement today, of course, coming after the Elon news last night, Elon tweet. We're going to talk more about that, dive a little bit deeper. Created a video on that as well, so make sure you go check that out. You'll see that on the page. Still sitting pretty nice, though. Actually, let's take a closer look at Doge here real quick. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome in the chat. Glad you're with us. Glad you're back with us. Anybody new here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Also, drop a comment in chat so I know who you are. So, Dogecoin, let's see. What do we got today? Obviously, we're trending up. No question about that. A little bit of a dip right here. Still sitting nice at the 55-cent mark. Yeah, right about 55 cents. We were as high as about 58, pushing up toward 59. So interesting. Yeah, the 24-hour high just under 59. So, but I like that low price in the 24-hour period of 46. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I mentioned this a couple times on stream before, but really like Doge anytime you can get it under 40. We'll probably see that again eventually. Maybe not anytime soon after the big news yesterday. But we're going to dive deeper into that. All right, let's go check out Shiba Inu. I know it's been dropping a little bit on the market cap chart, but still in the top 30 if I'm not mistaken. So we'll check that out. Hey, Michael. Welcome in, man. Yeah, last night was fun. Thanks for being here again. I appreciate it. Glad you came back. So interesting, you know, we've seen some movement today. Shiba Inu sitting at 28 right now. You know, it was as high as 23 yesterday. And something I mentioned early on in the week, you know, the big key here, I think, just as a psychological variable, I guess you could say, is can we stay in the top 30 by the end of the week? Of course, we're essentially here at the end of the week right now. So I was really looking to see if SHIB can stay in the top 30. So far, so good. We're seeing the market cap fall a little bit, but not too much. Still at 7.2. We're going to talk more about what's going on in India with the crypto relief fund, get a little bit more specifics out there as we gain some more insights. So we'll get into that. Hugo, hey, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back inside the chat. I don't know if you were with us last night, but we're building a pretty cool community, so welcome. All right, so what other things do we got? Oh, another big piece that I wanted to hit on early, and I'm going to be mentioning this quite a bit as we get more and more people rolling in. Polygon, right? Matic, something I've talked about quite a bit. Still making some great moves, up to 21 on the market cap. You know, early on this week, this was a 34, 35 on the market cap. So, you know, in a short period, it's jumped quite a few spots. Now, interesting enough, Polygon, which is Matic right here, has some links to Shiba Inu. Okay, so the head of the Indian Crypto Relief Fund is actually the co-founder of Matic. We found that out last night, and I dug a little bit deeper in that. There's a really good chance that these two coins could be linked together even after that initial news. So that'll be something to watch. Now, Polygon has really had some nice movement today, up over almost 50% on the 24-hour period. Look at the 7-day on Polygon, though. 120% on Polygon on the 7-day. I mentioned this coin, guys, and you know, sometimes I get it wrong. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm always right, but sometimes I do get it right. And I mentioned this when it was dipping down about, well, it was just over $1 at that time. It was about 103. And I told you, I think it was a great time to get in, and here it is sitting at 165. So I got in at about 88 cents on this coin. Really think it has a great chance to move up into the twos in the next month or so. When you take a look at the price targets on Polygon, you know, there's some pretty bullish, you know, targets out there. I mean, you look around the industry, some people have $5 price targets by the end of the year. Now that may be a little bit too bullish in my opinion, but man, if this chart continues, maybe not, right? Hey, Dave Mack, I guess it's time to cut losses on SHIB. Not for me. I'm not there yet. You know, I understand everybody kind of has their own personal opinion. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm going to hold the line with it. I think good things are coming. I really do. I mean, here's the thing, man. You could say what you want about you know, everything going on with Vitalik and obviously the sell-off there, but it's still a top 30 coin, man. I mean, it's sitting in the top 30. It's sitting at 28, and you know, a couple moves here or there, we're right back into the top 25. And it doesn't take much, right? There's a green pop right there. Doesn't take much. So we'll see after hours here, and you know, it does tend to move late in the evenings too, especially as we're getting more and more exposure to this coin. I'm of course in the United States, but we're getting a lot of exposure, you know, across the pond over in India and in Asia. We had a lot of people on the stream last night from India, and they were talking about that. So it'll be something to watch. It'll be something to watch. But to answer your question, I am not there yet. Yeah, I know the whales are killing. Yeah, that's what happens. That's okay. And you know, time will tell. But I'm okay with it. Hey, Mr. Bud, I'm doing well, man. How are you? Glad to see you back in the chat. Hope you had a good day. Really cool that we're getting some returners. I like that, Mr. Bud. I think you actually commented on one of the videos this afternoon. I appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. We're going to take a look at a bunch of coins tonight. We're going to get into some nitty-gritty things, I think. I want to wait till we get some more people in here to dive into some specifics, but I mentioned a couple things on some videos that I put out today that I want to dive deeper in, get some other people's opinions. Of course, on the chat, we've got a lot of good people in the chat with some good knowledge. Hopefully, Dan and Don come in. Those two guys were with me from day one, which wasn't too long ago, just a few nights ago when we did our first stream, but yeah, we're gonna dive into it. Cardano's still looking pretty nice. Look at Cardano sitting at $2, guys. Now that's not an all-time high. It hit 213 yesterday, but man, you guys know how much I love ADA. I really like Cardano. Look at the 7-day percentage up 21%, and a lot of this coin, I want to say 80% is already staked, which you gotta love, right? I know I mentioned this a lot, but I think it's worth mentioning again. Anything that's going toward the future of crypto, which is toward the staking, getting away from the gas fees, you know, it's you know, obviously environmentally friendlier, right? And I think Cardano's ahead of the game in a lot of those areas. So that's definitely a coin that I like. And here's the other thing with Cardano, guys. It just has a great CEO or founder. And then also has a great community behind it too, right? People really feel strongly about it. All you have to do is start looking around the industry. They run a lot of polls, right? And you can kind of gauge how people out there feel about specific coins, and you can tell. It's very easy to tell that Cardano has a really big following. And something that I like to mention, I think it's just an easy way to understand Cardano is you know, it's a nice hedge against Ethereum, and it's not to say you can't have both in your portfolio. It's not to say you can't have Ethereum and Cardano. It's not like a either or a one or the other. It's just a nice hedge. So if Ethereum, doesn't come through, or they're missing something on their end, they're not able to fix, a particular issue, because they're going to be going through a lot of changes too, right? Ethereum's going to be going through a lot of changes. If they're unable to get over that hump at any point, Cardano is really nicely situated to make some run-ups and clean up the mess, if you will. So, Jay Will, how you doing, man? Cardano hit over, yeah, it's up right at $2 right now. Yeah, I think it will hit $100 one day. I mean, I can't really, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't say, what that day will be, but yeah, I mean, this is just the beginning of crypto. I think obviously crypto had a nice run in 2017, but not a lot of people knew about it, right? It was pretty insider. It was like inside people who were interested in it. Now I think it's getting more out to the public. Obviously, you have people coming in from the finance world, the stock market world. They're wondering, how are people, making this money over on the crypto space with the market down right now? Obviously, due to inflation and a lot of things going on. So, yeah, I think Cardano could. I think it could, Jay. One day. When that is, I don't know. Maybe 4 or 5 years out. But yeah, I think it's one to hold on to for sure. Mustafa, welcome into the chat. Look into Panda DAO. Panda DAO, if you are free. Panda DAO. Okay, we'll take a look at that. It's early on in the stream. Now, when the stream gets hot, I probably won't look things up like this. But welcome to the stream. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video. We'll check that out for you, Mustafa. Hold on one sec. Panda DAO. Is this one of these new meme coins? Probably, right? PDAO. All right, we'll check it out. We'll take a look at it for you. Actually, okay, it's down right now, which could be good or bad, right? Well, the market rank is 3,324, so this isn't as high as some of the other ones that we were mentioning last night, Mustafa. Things like Alaska Inu, Akina Inu, right? And even those, I mean, I still like SHIB. I'll still take SHIB. It's still a top 30 coin right now, right? Even with the sell-off, even with the slight dump today, I mean, we're still sitting in the top 30 coins. So I'll take Sheba over this, but we'll take a look at the chart for you real quick. So we're looking at Panda DAO for Mustafa right now. Welcome everybody into the chat. Appreciate that. Yeah, Dave, I'll come back to that in one sec. Give me 1 sec there. Mustafa, let's take a look at the 1 day. Is there any reason why you like this, Mustafa, or is this just trying to catch it on the downturn? And let's take a look at the. I don't know anything about this coin, so I'm taking a look at all these charts for you just to kind of get an idea of what the heck's going on here. Okay, so this is the 1 year. Okay, I don't know, man. I don't know anything about it, but pulled it up for you. I'd like to see it higher on the market cap. I'd like to see this get into the 2s before you even take a stab at it. If you're going to take a stab at one of these, my rule of thumb is really wait till it gets into a top 100 play. Once it's a top 100 play, then I think it's pretty solidified, at least in that respect. So they have pretty good future plans. Okay. I mean, I don't know anything about it. So if you want to share some of those plans, if you've got some insights and info, and that's the kind of community we are. We're here to share info, share insights, share different ideas. So appreciate you joining in tonight, Dave. UBX had a nice pump today. We'll check that out. We will check that out. UBX, Ubix Network. Don't know anything about it. Guys, it's hard to know about every coin, right? There's 9,825 coins. Look all the way at the top here, top left, 9,825. And this number is increased just about every day, right? Okay, oh, this is interesting. I mean, the chart's interesting here, Dave. Let's hone in on the 1 day, though. Well, I mean, if you're bullish on this thing, it's probably a pretty good time to buy in. This is, slightly running up, but you're still not even anywhere near your all-time highs, and maybe a big pump is coming. I mean, I could see that. I could buy that, but I just don't know what kind of volume. Market rank is 452. Okay, interesting. What's the all-time high on this? don't see the all-time high, do you? Maybe it's down in here. Yesterday's volume. What's a 52-week high? That'll give us something. Okay, 0.005. Yeah, I mean, if this is something you believe in, I don't know anything about it. So I don't know about the technology, but if you believe in it, it's probably a good time to get into it right now. I mean, it's in a good spot. J. Will, Bitcoin crashing. Good news, getting ready to buy more. I almost got there, J. Will. Almost. I think I mentioned my target last night. I'll drop that in chat again, what my target is on Bitcoin. I think we're going to see it probably back down into the 42, 43 range. I don't know how long it'll take to get there. My guess, and this is just a complete guess, but I mean it's an educated guess, but obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my word for it in that respect. But I think it gets back down to 42, 43 before it gets back to the all-time high, which I believe is like 63, 64, right? I think, in my opinion, more and more people are getting out of Bitcoin, trading it in for Ethereum and all the other altcoins. But I think the big trend is seeing what Ethereum has done, you know, take the last 3 months, right? Maybe we can even take a look at the charts here. I mean, take a look at the last 3 months and put Ethereum next to Bitcoin. It's not even close, right? And I think other people understand that. They understand why that's the case because Ethereum has a use case. You know, it's going toward Ethereum 2.0. We're getting away from, you know, the high gas fees. We're getting more into staking. Ethereum 2.0 is the future, right? And I think people see that. That's why you're seeing the big run up on Ethereum and a lot of its tokens that run on the Ethereum platform as well. If you follow, you'll see 20 to 30% all the time on it. Oh, you day traded. Okay. All right, Mac. I could see that. That's interesting. So that's one for everybody in chat that Dave Mack has thrown out there. UBX could be a nice catalyst or a nice not a catalyst, a nice coin to day trade with. So interesting. All right, welcome everybody. We're getting some new people in here, so I don't want to break this news yet. I want to get some more people in here before I talk about the Elon news that I want to hit on. As we do that, I'll pull up my Bitcoin price target. I'll put that back in chat. I mentioned that last night, so I'll go ahead and drop that back in there. I just got to find it. I'm actually scrolling on my phone right now. Let me find it. Where is my Bitcoin price target? I took a picture of it. Where the heck is it? Where the heck is it? Sorry guys, hold on one sec. I'm finding this on my phone because I want to share this with you because I think this is a really good spot to get in if you're looking to get in to Bitcoin. So, oh yeah, here it is. Okay, let me drop this in for you. So 42998. That's my good spot there for Bitcoin. I mean, I think anytime it gets under 40, 43, I think it's a really good spot. So that's my, let me put in there, Bitcoin PT. So for anybody looking to get into Bitcoin. So, okay, let's take a look at some of the other coins here. XRP up 3% today. Polkadot on a nice run, up 13% today. 17% in the 7-day. You know, I mentioned Polkadot. A lot of people are super bullish on it, and I see no reason not to be bullish. I just don't have a lot to say other than that on Polkadot at this time. I'm not invested in it, so I'm not going to talk about something that I really don't know. Chainlink. Now, this is one that I've mentioned quite a bit. This was down under 40, and I know I mentioned it. You can go back to some of the other videos, go back to some of the former live streams. I mentioned Chainlink when it was dipping down into 38s, 39s. So this is a good opportunity. I think Chainlink, really anytime it goes below 50, I think you're in a good spot, especially if you get it below 40. I think that's a super good spot. So anytime you can get Link below 45, I think that's a nice, comfortable spot. Of course, Link is one of those Ethereum-based tokens. So you'll see a trend there that I like all the Ethereum-based tokens. Okay, so we're getting some people in here. Welcome into the chat. If you're new here, make sure you like up the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. So, of course, we had the big Dogecoin news. Gets another boost from Coinbase. Of course, Coinbase came out yesterday, said in 2 months' time, Dogecoin is going to be added rather to Coinbase. Now, a lot of the times though, so just be careful because a lot of people are going to try to time this up, right? A lot of the times it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So just be wary of that, right? Go back to the Saturday Night Live episode with Elon. It was buy the rumor, sell the news. That seems to be the trend, especially in crypto, even in SPACs when you talk about the stock market. So, just keep that in mind. But this is what I really wanted to get at, guys. So, of course, you guys remember the tweet last night, right? Oops. Oh, sorry about that. It took me to the tweet, didn't it? Okay, so right here. So, oh, shoot. It's going to open up a couple tabs. This is going to become an NFT, by the way. So, anyway, Elon says working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. So, Ari Paul comes in, says electricity isn't used for transaction processing. It's used to secure the network. Doge is POW, meaning it faces the same basic dynamics as Bitcoin. This is fascinating. This is something I don't know about, so this is interesting. Uses less electricity now because it's less secure. So when we think about that, what Ari is saying here is maybe, regardless of who Elon's talking to at Doge, doesn't really matter if they face the same issues that Bitcoin does. Time will tell. We're going to get these answers one way or another, right? But it was fascinating. There was a follow-up thread, a follow-up tweet by the founder of Doge, who's no longer, associated with the coin. I won't give away what he said. You can go back and look at the video that I posted before here and check that out. And I talk about some of the reaction to this. But I thought this was funny that eventually this will probably be an NFT. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with Elon in the coming months, right? Obviously, we know what's going on with Dogecoin and Elon in 2022. What happens to the price in the short term? If you want to simplify it, I just think anytime it goes under 40, I think you can add on to it. I think that's a good spot. All right, so let's take a look at some Google Trends. So, let's refresh this. This might be a bad thing for Shiba Inu here. Let's take a look at this and see what's going on with these trends. I don't like what I'm seeing here. This is past hour. Let's refresh it. Welcome everybody. Okay. Gerardo, hey, how you doing? Pablo, welcome back in. What's happening with SHIB, sir? Is everyone still holding? Yeah, I am. Hopefully everybody here is too. Paulo, we're going to look at it right now. What's interesting here on the Google Trends, we're seeing a big downturn, so not a lot of search traffic. This could be a typo, though. I've seen Google Trends have some issues sometimes because this looks like a, kind of an out of the ordinary spike downward. So we'll take a look at that. Let's see if we can get any popular press news. It has slowed down a little bit today in terms of the articles. Of course, yesterday was the big day after the Vitalik news, but we'll pull it up and see what we can find. Not Uno, Inu. There we go. I'm still buying Sheba, so I can. Yeah, I think so, Gerardo. I think so. Yeah, I'm holding. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but in my opinion, I think you're fine to hold. Yeah. Okay, let's go news here. VB killed it. Well, I think in the short term, Dave, yeah, he did. But in the long term, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think, we got to remember, India's got 1.38 billion people. That's the second biggest population in the world, okay? And they're right on the heels of China. China's got like 1.4, 1.5. It fluctuates daily. Basically, we're talking about half of the world population, essentially, right, is in China and India. So this is going to open it up to a whole new demographic, speaking of the SHIB coin. It's already being opened up on a ton of trading platforms, new trading platforms. Just today, I saw 2 more platforms that it's offered on. We're still waiting for Sheba Swap, right? That is going to be a huge catalyst. It'll be right there on the site. It'll make it easy. People can go right to the site. That'll open it up to a new demographic. So I think we're still good. And here's the thing. We're still seeing news. Look, 1 hour ago, now they're talking about Icp Coin. Is it like Dogecoin? But still, a lot more SHIB, right? Okay, SafeMoon getting mentioned in here with SHIB too. We did have some people interested in SafeMoon, so we'll cover that. I'm not invested in SafeMoon, but we will talk about it because I know some of you are. But let's take a look at this one 1 hour ago from MSN. Could SHIB Coin help fight the COVID-19 crisis? Well, I don't think there's any doubt it's going to. We already know that, so that headline is kind of iffy. But okay, Vitalik Buterin, the co-creator of cryptocurrency network Ethereum, has reportedly donated. Okay, we know this, $1 billion, right? The donation raises questions. Surely, for example, it's unclear how the India COVID crypto relief fund will use the donation. Well, no, actually, we do know how they're going to use it. They came out today. Sandeep Nawal, who is running the India COVID crypto relief fund, actually came out and said today exactly what's happening. They're spending it in 10% increments. Okay, so that's a really big catalyst. Well, not a catalyst, but it's better than a full-on dump, right? A full-on dump off. But there's a chance that Vitalik Buterin, the co-creator of cryptocurrency network Ethereum, has a major impact on the crisis. Well, yeah, no question, a positive impact, right? I think it's great what he did too, guys. There's too many people spinning this in a negative way, in a pessimistic way. Saving lives that are being lost to COVID is more important than the Shiba Inu. But I think in the end, it'll help the Shiba Inu coin. I truly do. So the currency Shiba Inu coin has been around for less than a year, obviously. One of the bevy of alternative cryptocurrencies that has exploded in popularity and price in recent months. Wall Street Journal reports. Yeah, we got a Wall Street Journal article yesterday, which is pretty cool. A lot of Bloomberg stuff, Fortune, Forbes, a lot of big time players in the popular press world. Its value changes wildly by the hour. Unlike with cash or even Bitcoin, it's hard to use Shiba Inu coin to buy things. Well, yeah, it's hard to buy anything with these. It's hard to buy things with Dogecoin. Right? I can't stand when you see these articles. These people obviously don't know a lot about crypto, but they're still like writing about it, which is kind of frustrating sometimes. But that's what you get. Carol Alexander, a finance professor at the University of Sussex Business School in England, told Yahoo Finance that Dogecoin could rise as long as it embraces its past too. I think Dogecoin might continue a very bumpy rise in price, and during this time, I really hope it recovers its origins. I think it already is, said Alexander, suggesting that Elon Musk's idea of it becoming an internet currency may be misled. Well, okay, you could take a pessimistic viewpoint on it, but what brings you to that conclusion? I mean, I could say a ton of things, reasons why I like it. You got a Doge 1 rocket coming in 2022, right? You've got the richest man in the world tweeting about it all the time. You've got it walled off at like 40 cents. You've got support at 40 cents. I mean, did anybody who owned Doge really think you're going to get support at 40 cents? I mean, that's where we are. It's fluctuating between the 4th, 5th, 6th highest market cap cryptocurrency. So there's more positive than negative here on this coin, and I think SHIB. So if Elon wants Dogecoin to have fundamental economic value, he needs to direct it back toward its benefit grassroots. Okay, yeah, understand that. And I think eventually you're going to be able to use Doge to buy things. I definitely think that's coming. You know, last night somebody mentioned in chat, and I wasn't able to track anything down today. I did look. Somebody said it was linked to Amazon, and I know that's been rumored. So if somebody has some insight there, or you can find something on that while we're on stream, I'll definitely be interested in that. I know you can't put links in on the live chat, and I'm going to catch up here on the live chat. I know a lot of you guys are joining. Welcome, everybody. Make sure you like it up and hit the subscribe button. So the thing is, I lost my train of thought. That's okay. Let me go to the chat. I'd be also selling if I was gift billionaire. Yeah. Will VB get a tax cutoff because of the... Probably, Mustafa. Gerardo, I hold 10 million. So do I, Gerardo. Don't hope. Know it is. You got to know it's going up. Just hold it. 20 mil here, Mustafa. Nice. I'm too deep to get out. Yeah, exactly. And here's the thing. I mean, hopefully you guys aren't dumping a ton of money in here to the point where like it's your whole life savings. I wouldn't advise that. Don't do that. Just put in a little bit, because a little bit can go a long way. Put in what you're willing to lose in these type of coins, right? It's high risk, high reward. Let's not pretend it's not, right? But that doesn't mean you shouldn't throw a little bit in there, whatever you're willing to lose, because I think there's a lot of upside here. Okay, so this is something that Mark Jansen, who's going to watch this on playback, I wanted to show you guys this. This is super, super cool. Nice tool. Again, we're building a community where we help each other. I hadn't heard about this, right? So this is super cool. If you go to cryptoscenarios.com, check this out. Cryptoscenarios.com. You can actually go in here and search any crypto, right? Put in the amount that you have or the amount that you hypothetically have, whatever. Enter your new price, enter your new market cap. You can go to Coin Market Cap, get the price, get something close to it, edit your circulating supply. You can get all this info. So all this info here, all these bars right here on the top hand column, you can get all of that at Coin Market Cap. Punch those in, then you can hit compute, and it will tell you how much the value will be worth if it gets to that price. Really cool, actually. Kind of a fun tool, and I wanted to share that. Mark's one of our avid followers in the chat. He said he wouldn't be with us tonight. Mark's over in the Netherlands where it's, I think it's like 2 a.m. over there, 3 a.m. So he's got to go to sleep, and I understand that. And just wanted to share this with you guys because I think this is pretty cool. So cryptoscenarios.com. Shout out to Mark. You'll see him at some point in the comments or in the chat. So, okay, I hold 90 million SHIB. I think it's good. I think so too, Svan. I think so too, Svan. I think a lot of people here have the same feeling you do. I think a lot of people are holding. All these squares make a circle. It's over. Why do you say that, man? It's over. Leave Sheba and get into another. Okay, I mean, dude, you could take your negativity somewhere else. Like, we're not here for that. That's fine. I'm sure there's a bunch of other chats where people are being negative. You can go over there. Not here, though. Paulo, holding 36 mil. Lost a lot, though. Yeah, it's okay. I did, too. That's why, guys, this isn't something that I own. It's not like my top owned currency. It's the least owned, right? So it makes up the least percentage in my portfolio, and I would advise that. Oh heck, while we're here, I'll just kind of give you the rundown. Okay, so from top to bottom, what is the highest ranking coins in my portfolio? Number one is Ethereum. Makes up about 65% right now. I'm trying to get that up to about 70%. That's how bullish I am on Ethereum. Then it's Cardano, roughly about 10%. That brings us to about 75%. Then I've got Bitcoin. That brings us to about 85%. And then I've got Chainlink. I think it's somewhere about the 7 to 9%. Same thing with VeChain. I think it's about 5 to 7%. Polygon is a small amount, which I'm going to be adding more onto once it dips. And then Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is heading up. It's still sitting at the 28th spot in market cap. Still a $7 billion market cap, guys. I mean, it's still hanging in here in the top 30. So I mentioned this at the beginning of the week. Can we stay in the top 30? Even because I knew, once we got the Vitalik news, with that news, I said, can we stay in the top 30, right? So far, so good. So far, so good. So we'll see what happens here. Let's take a look at the charts here. If you're new here, make sure you like up the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you hanging out with us. A lot of new people in here. That's cool. Welcome, welcome. David H., let's go. Welcome back, man. How you doing? Hour, you were in here last night. I remember you. How these paper hands in the comments. I know, man. I know. We ain't doing it, man. Might have to kick this guy out if he continues, but just ignore it. Anthony, up to 15 million now. Feel like it's so cheap. It's worth the risk even if 15. Yeah. Small risk, yeah. Still quite a small risk. Yeah. I mean, just again, Anthony, not a financial advisor here, but I wouldn't advise to just throw everything you got into it, right? It's not that type of coin. I don't think any coin is really, right? But it's not one where, it's not like a Cardano or a Doge, even a Doge right now. I mean, Doge is going to be around, right? It's going to be around at least until Elon sends it to Mars, literally. It's goodbye now, I think. Yeah, I think so too, Dave. I think so too. I definitely think so, man. I'm going to remove this guy out of here. Get out of here. All these squares make a circle. You're gone. I gave you like well beyond 3 strikes. I gave you like 10 strikes. So, all right. Welcome anybody new inside the chat. Make sure you like up the video. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate you being here. That is not real. We can always move. Exactly, Dave. As quick as it can go down, it can go up. Let's take a look at the 7-day here. This thing's crazy volatile too, right? I mean, this thing fluctuates even more than any other coin does. Okay, guys, let's take a look here. Let's broaden this out to the 1 month. Yeah, he's gone, Gerardo. Oh, how did he get back in here? That's all right. All right, so here's the 7-day. So we hit our support, guys. We're still on the support line. So this support line here, this 1.5, this 1.5 line, this is our level of support. Look, we're still hitting our support. So that'll be the big question. If we dip below our support line for a long period of time, then I'd be getting nervous, right? So right now, we're still not even at our support. Where are we at? We're at 1.7. Our support's at 1.5, okay? That we got to start getting a little bit more nervous, and not like, you know, completely nervous, but we start getting more nervous when it gets down below the 1.5 level, okay? When it gets down below the 1.5 level, that's when we have actually something to talk about. Right now, we're okay. We're okay. We've got support at that 1.5 level. We all laughed at it, put in 20 bucks, hot bid went down, I came back, it was 400. Nice, Dave. Nice. Excuse me, guys. Will it reach a couple cents? That's all I care about roughly when. Yeah, Crypto Lord, right? That's all we care about too. Let's hit 1 cent first, bro. Let's hit 1 cent first. I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. Hope you guys made so. Research by yourself, not from YouTube. Shiba may be a good investment for me, or worse, my life holding along. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Pac. I mean, everybody has to do their own research. I agree with you 100%, bro. I agree with you, man. Wonder what's going to happen at the end of 2021. I don't know, but I'll be here to see it. I'm going to hold it regardless. Because I already said, guys, I'm willing to lose it. I'm willing to lose what I've put in to get my 10 million of them. I got 10 million SHIB. Can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but I knew going into it that there was a chance that this could, you know, tumble down. And I'm okay with that. But I'm here for the ride. Because here's the thing, guys. It's still number 28 market cap. You guys can, you know, anybody can say whatever they want. It's a number 28 market cap. It's a top 30 coin right now. I actually like the fact that they created so many. If they donate to the world, it's a game changer if you really think about it. I think so too, Dave. And I think it opens up for, I think it opens up the entire crypto space, to be honest with you. I think it's just good for crypto. Because, you know, we were looking at the Google Trends last night, and we'll take a look at this actually right now. I'll pull up, just compare crypto here. I'm wondering, guys, if something weird happened with the search trends, or if this is actually what's going on. If this is a little bit of concern. But we're seeing the same thing on the crypto trend. Not quite sure. Let's go out to worldwide here and see if that's still the case. Are just not a lot of people searching. See this big dive right here? This is everything, though. This is crypto, Shiba, and Shiba Inu. So I think Google Trends just has something wonky going on with their software right now, with their system. We'll come back and check that. Because really, you look at SHIB, because I'm just going to bet that something was going on wonky. Because before then, look at this. The search trends were up. 854, 901, right? And then this big tumble just like right now. And this was the case when I looked at this 10 minutes ago. So something's just weird with the end of this chart. I wouldn't take this as a bad thing. I would look like right before it. Take it to the 901 mark, right? So we're getting some actually good movement for crypto in general, but also some good movement for SHIB and Shiba Inu. See that? Good movement upwards. Okay, so anybody new in the chat, I mentioned this. One of our avid viewers dropped this in a comment to me earlier, DM'd it to me on Twitter. Super, super cool resource. A lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with this. Check this out, cryptoscenarios.com. You can come in here, type in the price, how much you have of what coin. You can search your cryptos here, and you can actually compute how much your coin would be worth at the particular value, right? Really kind of cool. So this is cryptoscenarios.com. You guys can check that out. Pretty cool resource that Mark Jansen hooked us up with. Mark's out of the Netherlands, so he couldn't be here with us tonight. It's like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. over there, so he'll be back with us, though, soon. All right, let's take a look here. We're still getting, okay, we're hitting, still not hitting our support levels yet. Guys, again, the support's at the 1.5 levels, right? So go back to May 10th. This is where we started the run-up. 157, right? Run-up, okay. We've come down, but I actually like to see this. See how this is leveled off? See how this is just kind of evened off the last 3 days? I like to see this. It's running, you know, we're seeing some consistency here, right? I like this. So come out to the 1 month. You can kind of see here. So currently still at that 179. Still ranked 28th in market cap too. Still ranked 28th in market cap. All right, let's take a look and see if Elon is up to anything. I don't think he's tweeted anything recently. Let's see. He's going back to Tesla and SpaceX after tweeting about Doge. This was last night. As always, don't panic. Classic Elon tweet there. But this tweet right here is it's got a lot of traction, right? Working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. So this was an interesting comeback. So the creator of Dogecoin, Shibatashi, check this out, guys. Let me find out where the heck it was. Here it is right here. This is going to be an NFT someday. This is definitely going to be an NFT. So Terry Tips says, Billy, when you made Doge, did you try to consider energy usage, or was that not something you thought about? How can the dev community make Doge more efficient? I made Doge in like 2 hours. I didn't consider anything. That's classic. That's classic. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's go back and chat. Let's see what's going on. Emilio, what's going on, man? I say it hits 1/4 of a penny in 2 years. I'd be happy with that. I'll take it. I'll take it, Emilio. Welcome in, too. Make sure you guys like up the video. We've got 90 of you in here, only 21 likes. Come on, I can at least get to 25, right? I can ask for 4 more likes. Let me get to 25. Smash the like button. Come on. Pound the like button. Hit it gently, whatever you need to do. Come on. Help me out here. Appreciate you guys coming in here. I really do. Emilio, welcome back. Jacardo, Crypto, Dave Mack. Actually like the fact that they created so many. Okay, yeah. I do too, Dave. I know I read that a minute ago. Same, bro. I've got 50 million plus. Yep. Sell? No. No, we're not selling. No. Deduce? No. Eric Chavez, welcome back. Sheba is on the crypto earn. Is it a bad thing to put it on 3 months? What do you mean? What do you mean put it on 3 months? I'm not sure what you mean, Eric. Give me a little bit more insight. Dave, crypto has changed due to SHIB. I think so too, Dave. I think it's opening it up to a whole different set of people. Of course, India's got 1.38 million people. And a lot of them are asking, what the heck is Shiba Inu, right? We had some people from India in the chat last night, and it was great to hear from them because they came on and talked about how many people are talking about the coin over in India, which is great. Anthony, I'm kind of hoping that with such a big supply, the team can pretty much manufacture their own pumps with coin burns. Right, kind of like Wink with monthly coin burns. Right, I did see some information about that today, Anthony. It will be interesting to see. I know somebody in the crypto space was actually tweeting that Vitalik should just burn the rest of his coins, the other 40, whatever it was, 40 or 45%. If he burned it, it would be better. Mustafa, I think it's going to be a really fun year for crypto due to inflation. A lot of people from stock would jump. I agree with you 100%, Mustafa. I think you're already seeing it. I mean, you're seeing. I mean, obviously the retail investors from the stock market are already over in crypto, I think. But I think you're starting to see the big names come over now. I think you're starting to see the big names come over and join the party too, because the market's just not looking great right now. It's not looking great right now. So Doge opened my eyes. SHIB actually will do something with the swap and farms. I think so too, Dave. Sheba swap will help. It'll help tremendously. I own millions. Will hold for years. AG24, love it, man. Love it. I'm right there with you, brother. Crypto should not run on Elon. It's falling down quickly right now. What Doge has? Let's take a look at the market caps. What's falling down quickly? Let's go coin market cap. Let's see here. 22 million to the moon. Joseph, welcome. Welcome. Make sure you like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you coming on, man. Not sure if you're a returner or a newbie, but welcome to the stream. Gerardo, when Shiba on Coinbase? That's a good question. Shiba on Coinbase? I don't know. Don't know about that. Let's see here. Coin market cap. Shiba on Coinbase, we don't know, but we do know Doge will be on Coinbase in the next 2 months. Somewhere in the next 2 months, Doge will be on Coinbase. So that should be a huge catalyst. Doge is still sitting here in the number 4 spot. Still looking solid. Up 17% today. Oh, DJ Kubo, welcome back, man. Welcome back in, brother. Crypto Lord, yeah, normal people waiting for cents. I know. Stake it for 3 months. Eric Chavez, I like it, brother. I like it. Mustafa Elon, be like, I wish I had more BTC. If only there was a way to buy BTC for cheap. I hear you. I hear you. Easy money. Do you see 1 cent by October? That's pretty ambitious, Easy. But if we're talking about easy money, it should be there by October, right? Hopefully, man. Hopefully. I like a ½ cent. Somebody said ½ cent by the end of the year. I'd take that. I'd take that. B-Bell, Dogecoin was at 0.0048 6 months ago. Yeah, exactly. Do you think Sheba will have the same growth? It's hard to tell, B-Bell. And to be honest with you, we don't even need the same growth. We just need similar growth. It's going to take some other catalysts. It's going to take some other positive news. But I think Vitalik helped us out in that regard. It should stay in the news for a little while based on that. And I think you're going to slowly see more and more written about how this SHIB is actually helping India, right? When it's actually put into play and we get the effects of what it does, more articles are going to be written. And I think it's obviously going to help the crisis over there too, which is great. So Armand, Zach, I bought SHIB at 35 on Monday. It's been a downward dip since. I hear you, Armand. It's all good, man. I'm actually in there with you. I'm right there with you, so you're not alone. I got it little bit cheaper than that, but not much, and I'm holding. So you're not alone in that regard. I have a positive outcome for Sheba. Just stacked another 10 million Sheebs now. Really? Okay. All right. Nice, DJ. Love it. Now 20. Love it. Okay, Zane. Mustafa speaking facts. He is, man. Mustafa, welcome, man. Hopefully you subscribe to the channel, dude. Love the stuff you're dropping in here. Zane, you too. Hopefully subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Dave, you've been in here for a while, man. Appreciate everything you're adding. Hopefully you're subscribed and hang with us for a while. Okay, let's see. What else we got here? Charles McGowan, welcome to the stream. 9.5 million holding to the moon and adding more as I can. Yeah, put in chat how much SHIB you're holding. How much SHIB you're holding. Put it in chat. Let me see it. And if you have crazy gains, we had 2 people who had crazy gains and they were screenshot last night and they sent it to me DM. You could send your crazy gains to me on Twitter and I will share it with the entire stream. It's at Z_Humphreys. If you've got crazy gains, I'll share it with everybody on stream. Leaf Dacker, 50 mil will never sell. Love it, brother. And also have 22 mil. Okay. Got Hands of Steel at 2.7 mil. Like it, Emilio. Vela, coming from India. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Welcome into the stream. Steel is weak. Got my hands on 100. How much? 100 million. Nice. Nice, Fabio. ½ a cent would be perfect. Yeah. SHIB down, but I bet it could get up soon. I think so too, Lord. I think so too. Let's take a look at the market cap right now. Where are we at? Uh-oh, we're dropping a little bit, guys. Down to the 29th spot in the market cap. This will be something to watch. It's okay though. It's not detrimental. We're at 6.9. We saw it drop to about 6.8, 6.7 a couple nights ago, and then it spiked back up to 7.5. So it doesn't take much for this to be back up at 26, 27. Just takes a little bit of volume. So we'll keep an eye on it. Vela, again, welcome from India. Hopefully a lot of people from India join the chat because we really think that India can help propel this coin. Steel this week, ½ a cent would be perfect. Okay, let me catch up here in chat. A lot of chats coming in. 51 million from Becky. Nice. Welcome, Becky. Welcome to the chat. Coyote 110 mil. Like it. Like it. Welcome in. Make sure you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Killer Aesthetics. Nice name. Just started 1 week ago, but I'm buying the dips. I like it, man. Like the sounds of that. 100 mil to the moon. Siddhartha. Nice. Like it. David. 15 mil. Nice, brother. Nice. Thunder Gun. 9 mil. Okay. Awesome. I've got 10 mil, everybody. So Doge or SHIB. I like the name. I've got both Doge and SHIB. Sheba is a token, not a coin. People don't understand. Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, I think I do call it a coin. It's a token. Sorry. Ty 445, 445 mil. No, 45 mil. 45 mil. Nice. James Johnson 25 mil. Mustafa made 10K from AMC. Does that count? Mustafa, yeah. Send me a screenshot on that, bro. Send me a screenshot on that so we can share it with everybody. That'd be super cool. And we're gonna virtually clap for you too, because that's awesome, man. We celebrate people's wins. Got in April 25th. Did you really, Kevin? Where are you at? You got to be sitting pretty, man. If you got in on April 5th, Kevin, you got to be sitting in a good spot. If you got some crazy gains, screenshot me, send it to my Twitter, and we'll share that with the group. For us, welcome, man. Welcome in. Armand, how you doing, man? Welcome. Zach's lifting my spirits, and at least it's actually helping people. Exactly, Armand. That's what I'm here for, man. Just trying to spread some positivity, talk about some coins. That's what we're doing here. That's it, man. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so don't come yelling at me when you potentially lose money. But hopefully we're not losing. Hopefully we're winning. David, I bought 62 mil when I bought SHIB. Yeah, nice. 5 million enough? Anything's enough, Joseph. Whatever you can get. Whatever you can get. To the moon, Doge or SHIB, like it, man. Coyote, diamond hands. Diamond hands. Dave Mack, XLM was at half penny also. Nice, that's good to know. That's that one you like to day trade, right, Dave? That's super cool. Steven, 770 mil and sweating all day. I hear you, brother. I hear you, brother. Coyote, subscribe. Thank you, brother. I appreciate appreciate you subscribing. Thank you. Anybody else who hasn't hit that like button? We're at 49 likes. Got to get one more at least to 50, right? Got 1 billion at like 145. Look it up. $100 worth. Good. That's good. 438 mil. Okay, let's see. Join Reddit and Twitter, June. We were going to the moon. Doge, is that something you saw on Reddit that we're going to the moon on 6.9 and 6.28? Hopefully that's something you read. Anything from Reddit you guys want to share with me, because I'm not on that community. But if you also want to share this stream on Reddit, that'd be cool too, because I know there's a lot of hodlers over there. So get them in here. Let them join the party. Joseph, welcome, man. Almaden Tahiri, 5.9 mil. Welcome in, man. Joseph, to get 0.01, what it need to reach? That's a good question, Joseph. What does it need to reach? I'll tell you what, if somebody could get on this and chat, that would be super cool. Go to cryptoscenarios.com and see, to get it to 0.01, what does it need to reach? Check that out for me, because I do have a little bit of insight from today. So I ran one of these crunches earlier. Actually, Mark Jensen, one of our people who was in chat last night, sent me this. So, okay, so how about this? If you have 10 million SHIB and it gets to 0.00066, right? So if it gets just to 0.0066506, it'd be worth 6,650. That's not too far away from where we are, right? And all things considered. But this is a really cool tool, Crypto Scenarios. So if you want to run the numbers here, Joseph, or somebody else does in chat, that'd be super cool to get to 0.01. What does it need to reach? This tool right here will help you do that, Crypto Scenarios. Let's see here. More exchanges have introduced now in India. Great news, Siddhartha, and welcome in. I heard that today. I heard that 2 exchanges in India, and I'm guessing you're typing in the chat from India. I heard that 2 in India added it today. Is it more than 2? Let us know how many in India added it. If you've got that insight and information, that'd be great. Robin, how you feel about Sheba? Feeling good, man. Always feeling good. Doge or SHIB? Leash. What is this? Another one, Doge. Doge or SHIB? Is this another run up? Probably, huh? We'll see. Okay, Tangy. Okay, who is this guy? We got to get this guy out of here. This guy's spamming the chat. That's all right. We'll remove him. Let's see. Let's get him out. Let's see here. We got to block him here. Okay. So he's going to be hidden. Progress Junkie, 20.4 million in holding. Nice. When do you expect it to go up? Ahmed, you know, we'll see here. I mean, I think as long as it's hitting our support, it's actually gone up a little bit recently. So let's pull in here. It wants to go up a little bit. We'll see. So, Ahmed, we got some good support levels at 1.5. So, see right here? Pull it on. We got some good support levels right here. 157. Right here again. Right? This 1.5 spot, we got some support. So, as long as we're staying above there, I mean, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with, you know, straight across right now. We just need some people to pump this up, I think, in the evening. I'd like to see this back up in the 2.2 range, right? We need to get it to the 2.2, 2.3. Feel your pain. Yeah, 3 exchanges now in India. Great, great, Siddhartha. I appreciate you adding another one in there. I knew I saw 2 earlier. 3 exchanges now in India have it. That's great. How are people in India taking this news? How are they talking about SHIB? I think that would be interesting to know. That would be interesting. That would be some good insight to have. B-Bell 6350-12700. Is that some numbers that you're running from that website I gave you, B-Bell? Dave Mack, you have to turn off the FUD or you panic buying. Yeah, exactly. International Alliance, nice. 200 million in holding. Love to see it. Samuel, welcome. Doge, thank you for this video. No problem, man. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Make sure you like it up and subscribe to the channel. Samuel, how could SHIB help fight COVID? What do you mean? It is helping fight COVID right now. So I don't know if you missed this news, but we'll fill you in. Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, actually had a ton of SHIB, and he gifted it to the India COVID Relief Fund, which is now being used to help fight people who are suffering from COVID in India. So this coin is directly related to COVID, and it's helping people in India where they're really struggling with the pandemic. So that's how it's helping. B-Bell, lucky. What's lucky? We're all lucky, right? Hopefully. Let it grow. I see the triangle. Yeah, I do too. I do too. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Joseph Tabone, token. Yeah, I know I said coin again, didn't I? Shit, my bad. Doi, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. D-U-Y, is it Doi? Just sold some FEG gains for some SHIB puppies. Nice, nice, brother. Emilio, yeah, that straight trend is exactly what you want in bullish coin. Great cool off. Exactly, exactly, Emilio. That's a great cool off. And we're still above that threshold, right? Look at that 7-day. I like it. I think we're in a good spot still. Okay. So Samuel, 5 million SHIB here. Nice, Samuel. Nice. Thanks for doing this. I'm new to this. No problem, man. Zotu Dalo 82, welcome. Just the best way you can thank me, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Share it with a friend maybe. That'd be awesome. Welcome. Randy, Sheba 25 mil. Nice. Nice. Do you know when Sheba Swap is coming? You know what? No, I don't. But let's look that up. Sheba Swap. I know it's coming soon. So let's check that out. I don't even know if they've released it yet, to be honest. If somebody else in chat knows when Sheba Swap is coming, that would be super cool. Let's see if we can get that insight. We'll check it out here. Sheba Swap. Let's see. Sheba Swap. It's going to be tough for me to do this on stream. Does anybody else know when Sheba Swap is coming? I'm not exactly sure. I just know it's coming soon. But welcome, everybody. We're getting new people in. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ahmed, we'll subscribe, bro. Keep it up. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Welcome to the community. They didn't give India the actual Shiba currency. They sold them and gave the money to them. Correct. But Anahita, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Anahita, here's the thing though. It provides exposure, right? There's 1.38 billion people in India. So yeah, not directly related in that sense, but people are going to be interested in it, right? And now they're opening up on exchanges. So people who see how Sheba is supporting their country, right, in the COVID relief effort, they're probably going to want to buy into that, right? And invest some of their money into that because, you know, they're connected to it, right? It only makes sense. Rock YouTuber, 35 minutes in Kitty, shall I hold? Yeah, bro. Why not? Always hold. Hold is always the answer. Joseph, no clue for swap, just waiting for the last audits, they say. Okay. Yeah, I heard some things like that too. I appreciate you, Joseph. Thank you for dropping that in. I hold 85 million SHIB, but I'm afraid there are too many tokens for price to go at least. Yeah, well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if some of those tokens are burned, Alex, potentially, right? Randy, very soon. Okay. Yeah, very soon on the Sheba swap. That's what I've been hearing too. Joseph Sean, there's a catch if Doge increases. Anthony, think it's still an audit. Yeah, I think it's still an audit. Right. Okay, Jason, is it too late to invest in SHIB? I don't think so, Jason. I don't think so. Right now, it's probably a pretty good time. I mean, it's pretty flat right now. We've got support at this 1.5 level, so why not, man? We're just waiting for that next upturn. John, when will Bone Coin be available? That's another one that I know is coming soon, John. Haven't heard about it, though. Haven't got any insight on it just yet. Maybe somebody in chat has. I know Bone will be available, though, once Sheba swaps out. According to Etherscan, VB just gave 5% off the 50% to India. Interesting. Interesting. According to the, okay, NP, I appreciate you. Thanks for joining the chat, too. Make sure you guys like it up, dude. We're getting close to 100. We're getting close to 100 likes. Make sure you smash the like button. Appreciate it. Yes, make the name for Sheba more big. Exactly. Let's do it. Let them donate for the good. We are a token. Nice. Batman. Nice name, brother. Welcome to the stream. When Binance's Indian exchange Wazirks listed SHIB, they started with, yeah, that was yesterday. That's the biggest exchange in India. I know I just completely botched that pronunciation, but I know it's the biggest exchange in India. They started with a very high price. Then the original. Okay. So that's the one thing that, interesting. I didn't know that, Batman. That's great insight. Great details. I didn't know that. So hopefully they fix that and, you know, people in India continue to buy. I think they will. Gerardo, do you know something about Bone? I don't know when Bone will be out. I just know that it will be, and that'll be a spin-off, not a spin-off, but a token under Shiba Inu, right? Thanks for your point of view. Yeah, no problem. Appreciate it. I appreciate you being here. You're welcome. Rock YouTuber will reach 1 cent. I hope so. Right? International Alliance. Is it true that Sheba will be splitting its cap to Bone and Sheba swap? I don't know that. I don't think so. I had heard that Sheba will just have Bone underneath it, right? So, but I don't know. I mean, we'll have to see. I've invested a lot of money. Love is back. Welcome everybody. We're getting a lot of new people in chat. Welcome. Deshaun, scared. Why are you scared? What are you scared about? I appreciate the effort and your way of loving this coin. Hey, no problem, Kingsley. No problem, man. That's what I'm here for. Anthony, really like these lives. Really nice. We community built here is a nice small amount of time. I can see it growing quickly as word spreads. Appreciate you, Anthony. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Seem about 100 million Sheba. Nice, man. Welcome. Love is, okay, we got that one. Matt Pasco, I don't believe Sheba will hit 1 cent unless a famous influencer promotes it. Well, Matt, do you know any famous influencers or promoters, right? We've got Vitalik. He's pretty famous. Sorry, guys, I need some water. Give me 1 sec. We got Vitalik, right? He's pretty famous. Can we get another promoter? That's what we need, right? I think we will. Time will tell, guys. It's early, right? This is super early. Super early. So just hang in there. Hang in there. Okay, let's see here. What do we got here? What do we got? Make sure you guys like up the video. Nice. We're up over 100. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for doing that. Spread the word. Help me out with this algorithm. Push this out to more people. We had a really nice group last night. We're building one right now, so that's great. Paul Payne, hi from Melbourne, Australia. Great chat. Hey, Paul, thanks. I think I saw you leave a comment sometime last night, too, if I remember right. Welcome to the chat, man. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. SHIB to the moon. Stay positive. Exactly, Amira. Exactly. Joseph Sean, welcome. Sorry, asked to convert SHIB to money deposit or withdrawal. Yeah. Sorry, Joseph, I'm not quite sure what you're asking. If you can ask that again, hopefully I can help you out. Love West, how much is 100 million Sheba? How much is 100? How much does it cost? Well, it depends on the price. But somebody else could probably run an exchange for you. 100 million, you could get a pretty good deal on that right now. I know that much. Brian Sinclair just bought my first Sheba today. Nice. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Melvin, we are all losing money thanks to Sheba. Well, maybe right now, Melvin, but there's a lot of people still winning, right? So if you look at this chart, I mean, shoot, if they got in, depending on when you got in, right? But here's the thing: we're long term on this, guys. You can't think about this in 1, 2, 3 day increments, 1 week increments. But Melvin, if you got in down here, or even like on the upswing here or here, you're still up right now, man. You're still looking good. Can someone start burning Shiba coin? I know, Venke, that would help. Sarthok, is 2 million Shiba good enough? Anything's good enough. Anything you can afford. Anything you can afford. International Alliance, I appreciate you dropping that in. 1,400 USD approximately. There you go. There's your answer on that. 1,400 USD approximately. King Cobra, hold Shiba. Exactly. Hold the line. Hold it. Hashtag hold the line. I remember Bitcoin was 0.03. Man. CO, were you in at 0.03? If you were in at 0.03, you've got to send me a screenshot if you still have some evidence of that, because that had to be crazy for you in terms of the gains. Batman, yep, they did fix that on the Indian exchange late yesterday. I bought some myself. They did today. Awesome. That's good to know that they fixed the pricing on the Indian exchanges. So somebody was in here earlier. I'm not sure if he's still in here, but he said 3 different exchanges today in India have added it. So that's great. That's great news. 3 different exchanges just today in India have added SHIB. So that's awesome. Eddie Lopez, I believe that they did not sell the coins. India said that they would release them responsibly. Exactly. That was from Sandeep Nawal, who runs the India Crypto Relief Fund. He did say that they would be released in increments of about 10%, right? So only 10% thus far have been liquidated. So that leaves time for other investors, hopefully a lot of people from around the world who are just hearing about this, to jump in, right? And I think that's what their thinking is. And here's the other thing, guys. I think Sandeep Nawal, who is heading up the India COVID Relief Fund, he is the co-founder of Matic. He's the co-founder of Polygon, which is another coin that I absolutely love. So I think he has a vested interest into seeing that crypto does well, right? He's obviously in the space. He's not just running the COVID relief fund in India. He's in the crypto space, Sandeep Nawal. He's the co-founder of Polygon, right? So he understands what we're doing here. He understands the bigger picture, which I think is important to note. Okay, so let's see. King Cobra. Okay, we got you. Kappa Dappa. Why no one talking about SHIB INU? Well, we talked about it a little bit last night. We're just sticking with Sheba. Because, sorry, I need another drink here. Sheba has the storyline, right? Now it has a backing because it has a narrative, right? With Vitalik and India, right? There's more of a story. And I mean, when you look at the numbers, I mean, look at the market cap. It's a number 28 market cap. I mean, that's why we're rolling with SHIB, right? JK to the moon. Welcome, brother. Etoli Gunner, is it possible that we kill 2 zeros this year? I hope so, brother. Let's do it. You can kill that like button right now. That'd be cool. Lee Taylor, why Papa Sheba do so well? Papa Sheba. I don't know anything about Papa Sheba. That sounds like somebody's grandpa. Holding over 1 billion. Ashley Tucker, welcome, Ashley. That's awesome. Over 1 billion, holding strong. That's awesome. Welcome. VB still owns 45% of all SHIB. He does. Yep. Yeah, he gave 5%. That's right, Andy. You're right. Andy McBain, thank you. Appreciate it. Anybody new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. A lot of new people in the chat. A lot of new people hanging out with us tonight, so that's awesome. Okay, let's see. Die Rich Films, SHIB to the moon. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Hey, Ahmed, I'm going to buy more Sheba. Nice. Kappa Dappa, Cal Ahmed, you should buy some Kishu Inu. We talked about that. We're talking about Shiba Inu. Do you think Elon coins and Shiba coins are connected? Not literally connected, but maybe psychologically connected with everything going on with Doge and how it was a meme coin. I mean, Doge is obviously connected with Elon. Shiba Inu could kind of be connected in that way, that it's a meme coin, right? But if Elon tweets about it or something, that would be huge, right? I mean, and don't put anything past Elon. He could. He definitely could. This is right up his alley. So I think it's possible. If more people buy SHIB, we all go into the moon. Exactly, Joseph. Exactly. Yeah. Let's let's throw a Shiba Inu one to the moon, right? Or to Mars, right? After Doge one, right? For sure. Best time to buy the Sheba dip. Yeah, yeah. It's well, it's dipping a little bit right now. Where are we at? 1812. Let's refresh this and see. Okay. Yeah, we're still at the 1.8 level. Again, guys, we have a lot of support at the 1.5 level. A lot of support at the 1.5, so we're still okay. If more people, okay, let's see. X-ray 7 red, best time to buy Sheba dip. It's always a good time to buy, but right now I guess you could call it a dip depending on when you got in last. Okay, getting a lot of stuff in now, getting a lot of chat, so I'm just trying to catch up here. Would you please tell me about Sheba plans in the future, Normandy? So the big future plan that we're waiting on is Sheba Swap, right? And more places where you can buy Sheba. I think Coinbase would be a big one, obviously. I think in India, more and more offerings are going to be had. So I think there's a lot of different things we're waiting on. But in reality, you know, staying in the news right now, I think is the most important. Staying in the news. So if we could do that, that'd be great. Daniel, new just got seven. How much? 7 million sheep. Nice. What are your realistic targets for Shiba Inu? I haven't given any targets, Ramesh. But a lot of people are saying half penny by the end of the year. You know, that would be great. But we look at the 7-day, guys. I mean, right now, what I do like is we're trading sideways right now. I do like that. See, we're just kind of holding this level right now. It's getting kind of consistent here across the line, which I like. I like that. Okay, Joseph, if the token will have utility, it will massively pumped. Yes, yeah. Some type of utility would help too, Joseph, for sure. So we'll see. We'll see if that happens. I think obviously the people running Shiba Inu know that they need to be in overdrive right now to, you know, come together with some future plans quickly. So I think we're going to get some news on this. I do. I think in the coming weeks we'll get some good news. International Alliance just turned on notifications for your channel. Great work here. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Ramesh, what are the realistic targets for Shiba Inu? Okay, just answered that. Sorry. Holding 640 million. Nice. Let's see. I'm new. Barry the Turtle, welcome, man. We welcome anybody who's new. If you have questions, drop them in chat. If I can't get to it, somebody else will help you out. We got a really cool community who helps each other. Make sure you guys like up the stream too. Appreciate that. St. Ree, if you are down in the market, how does your mind tell you selling is correct? Are you dumb? St. Ree, well, yeah. Well, actually, St. Ree, our minds actually work in the opposite way, right? We want to sell, we want to buy when it's high, when we know that's not what you do, right? But it's weird how it works in your mind. You got to kind of like retrain it in a way to buy the dips. But I know where you're coming from. Zane just bought 6 million more. Nice, man. I'd love to see it on Voyager, and yeah, Voyager would be a big one for sure. Sunshine, welcome to the stream too. Mark, did any other coin ever blow up due to having their own shit? Yeah, that's a good question, Mark. That's a really good question. I don't know the answer to it. Did any coin ever blow up due to having their own swamp exchange? I don't know. That's a really good question. If somebody has the answer to Mark's question, I don't. But if somebody does, drop it in chat. I think no matter what, it could help SHIB. If nobody's ever done it before, we could be the first, right? Do you really think it will explode at some point? I do, Zaire. I mean, yeah, that's why I have it. That's why I own it. Now again, I don't have my life savings in here. I don't have. I'm not putting everything in there. I'm not doing what the Dogecoin guy did, right? The Dogecoin millionaire. I'm not doing that. God bless that guy, man. That's awesome. But I'm not doing that. But yeah, I do see it going up. Yeah. Kevin, when is not sure what that means, Kevin. Drop something else in chat. But welcome to the stream. Vishme, 100 million holding for 0.01 in 2 years. Nice, nice, brother. Welcome, welcome, Vishme. Michael Barron, trading value almost 60%. Hopefully we could turn that around. This is my first coin. Okay, nice, 90 million. Yeah, nice, Michael. Welcome in, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you guys know when we put out more videos. I posted a few videos today. If you haven't watched those, make sure you go check those out. One is on Polygon and Shiba Inu. The other one is on Dogecoin. So if you're interested in that, go check those out on the channel. Would appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe as well. Luciano, I've bought Luciano. I've bought about 9 million. Nice, man. Profit will come in a year or two. Yeah, love it, man. Remtac, do we really think this will work out? That we all have this many tokens and become millionaires? It just seems many people have too many coins. Well, I mean, everybody said that about Doge too, right? And a lot of people sold off too early. How many people sold Doge too early, right? I think people are going to learn from that. So you got to hold it. Got to hold it. Michael, if everyone collaborated in SHIB and only sold on limit at $1, would that raise the value to $1? I don't think that's how it works. I think somebody mentioned in chat last night if it got to $1, it would have to be like 400 trillion market cap, which is insane. I don't think that's going to happen, right? But this thing did get as high as 16 on the market cap. Speaking of which, let's go take a look at the market caps right now. Uniswap, Germain. Nice, man. Is that where you got it, or is that where you would like to see it? I got mine on crypto.com. I mentioned this tidbit last night, so anybody that's new to the stream, I'll give you a golden nugget here. Crypto.com right now, if you're a new user, you go over there, sign up. There are no fees right now for the first 30 days. So there's a golden nugget. And no, this stream is not sponsored by Crypto.com. Maybe someday it will be, but nice golden nugget there for you. So if you're looking to get any coins, they got a lot of different coins over there. Check out Crypto.com. Right now, 30 days, no fees. Also, takes like 1 to 2 hours to get verified over there, and you're able to trade really quickly. So, okay. Again, not a sponsor yet. Alfred holding 26 mil. Randy, nice. Jermaine, okay. Ramesh, both Shiba and Doge were created as a meme coin. Yes, they were. Buy for some reason, I don't. But for some reason, I don't like. He's such a hypocrite. Sorry for any fans of that. Well, I mean, Ramesh, I understand, man. I mean, he's an interesting character, but I mean, one thing you can't really knock him for is his intelligence, right? Guy's really, really, really smart. I mean, who runs 3 businesses at the same time at that magnitude, right? Like a SpaceX, a Neuralink, and a Tesla. Like, who does that? Something about Elon too. A lot of people don't know. He actually invented PayPal. That's how he got his start. He took all his profits from PayPal and separated it between 3 businesses to start Tesla, Neuralink, and SpaceX. Pretty crazy story, but guy's super, super intelligent. Got to give him that. Okay, Sunshine, I'm not selling, I sold. Wait, what? You're not selling, you sold? What the heck does that mean? Bunch of times. Randy, okay. Jason, how much do you own in Sheba? Jason, I own 10 mil. I own 10 mil. So not a ton, but enough to where, you know, when this thing runs up, we'll be looking good. Michael, regardless, oh, let's see here, I lost you there. Matic is shooting up. Oh, is it? Love it. Polygon, oh yeah, I love Polygon, guys. I got in Polygon at 88 cents, and since then it has been parabolic. I love it. Man, we're getting closer and closer to that $2 mark, guys. So there's been some recent price targets on Polygon that are pretty juicy, like $5, $6 price targets on Polygon. So again, co-founder of Polygon, you know who he is? Sandeep Nawal, the guy who's heading up the India COVID relief. So yeah, 53% today. Love it on Polygon. Let's take a look at the 1 day. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at this movement today on Polygon. Man, this is beautiful. It's a top 20 coin now. Polygon was number 34 last night, guys. It was number 34 last night. It's sitting at number 20. Crazy. See, this is how much movement you can get in one day in the crypto space, right? Pretty crazy. Funny how a day in crypto is like a month. Yeah, exactly, Sunshine. A day in crypto is like a month in our old lives, right? That is so accurate, dude. That should be a quote. That should be on a T-shirt. Pal, 88 billion of SHIB and not selling. Love it, pal. Hold it, man. Michael Walker sitting on 3.7. Have them in 3 different wallets. That's smart. That's a smart move. That's a smart move, man. Make sure you guys like up the video. Appreciate it. Let's get up to 175 likes at least, right? Got to get up to 175. And subscribe to the channel. Loving the stream again tonight, guys. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. This is like my 5th or 6th stream ever. Having a lot of fun with this, just hanging out with you guys. So this is really cool. Okay, let's see what else we got coming in. Jermaine, it was a question about a coin. I missed that, Jermaine. I'm sorry, but I see your next comment here, Jermaine. ADA's looking nice. I love ADA, brother. Love it, man. I own ADA. I got in Cardano in the early ones. I got in about $1.11. Wish I would have got in sooner because I was looking at it before then. Sitting at 202 right now 201. Cardano's a great one. This is all about the future. It's a proof of stake blockchain, which is great. This is the future of crypto, guys. Anything that's proof of stake, gotta love it. That's the future. And you'll see with Cardano, they come down here, what makes it unique. This is a big thing that a lot of these future coins are doing, right? It's the proof of stake consensus mechanism, which is less energy intensive. That's the big one. Less energy intensive than the proof of work algorithm, what runs on that? Bitcoin. Although the much larger Ethereum is going to be upgrading to POS, this transition is only going to take place gradually. So Cardano will be right there, again, well, like I've said before, perfecting anything that Ethereum misses along the way. So I think both of these are winners in the long run. I think Cardano and Ethereum are winners in the long run. Matt, VeChain, Cardano are safe. I agree with you. I own them both, Matt. I like VeChain and Cardano. I agree with you. YK, which coin is safe to buy right now from India? Again, what Matt just said. Cardano, VeChain. I'll tell you one too, YK, that I really like is Chainlink. I love Chainlink, one of my favorites. I think this gets up to $100 by the end of the year, in my opinion. I think this gets up to $100 by the end of the year. Remtac, I've quadded my money. Nice. Quadded. I like it. Let's see what else we got. Fiji Holiday, what's up, man? Where's all the money? The entire world is buying and Sheba's going down. Well, a lot of coins out there, brother. How many? There's 9,825 coins, spread it around. But how about this? Out of 9,825 coins, Shiba Inu is number 29. So, hey, I'll take it. For that price, I'll take a stab at that. Deshaun Meta, I'll buy myself a house if SHIB reaches $1. Me too, brother. Actually, well, I mean, hey, some people want a house. I don't know what I would do. I don't know if I'd buy a house, but I'd definitely take a nice vacation. How about that? We don't need Elon. We have Vitalik. Yeah, exactly. That's something we mentioned last night. Oh, that's Dan. What's up, Dan? Welcome back, brother. That's a true OG right there in chat. Dan was with us a few nights when we got this thing started. Ozzy, what's up? I was reading that Amazon is considering Shiba Bone. Yeah, we talked about this a little earlier. We talked about it yesterday, too. Can't really find anything definitive on that, Ozzy. If you've got something, you got a source, I can look up on Twitter, let me know. It's being rumored, but we'll see, man. We'll see. Joey, Sheba. Nice, man. Welcome. Aiden Allen, I got 3 mil. Let's get it. 0.01. Yeah, that's the first step, Aiden, right? Let's get it to 0.01. I'm with you, brother. Randy, subscribe. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for subscribing. Hey, be like Randy, guys. Be like Randy. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Appreciate it. La, Vitalik. Nice. Yeah, hopefully Vitalik comes out and says some good stuff. But again, somebody who's not being talked about. I'm going to put him in chat. Look this guy up, guys. Do your research on this guy. Just dropped it in chat. He's a big guy in the crypto space. He's heading up the India Relief Fund, co-owner of Polygon. I think he can help us out when it comes to SHIB. I think he's going to help us out when it comes to SHIB. I truly do. Okay. I own 42 million. Does that make me feel threatened? Heck yeah, it does, Ahmed. Heck yeah. Rex, what's up? Rex, welcome back in the chat, man. I remember you from last night. Thoughts on BTT and Win? Don't know anything about those two, man. Jermaine, have you seen the movement on YFI? I have not. I have not. If we get a chance to look at it right now, we're too busy. I got to get through this chat. But if we get a minute, we'll go ahead and look at those. Let's go take a look at the top of the chart real quick. Ethereum at 4.1 now. Doge still at 5.59. Here's one thing I wanted to do, guys. Check out this Google Trends again. Kind of see if we can find anything here. I think they're still having a kind of a glitch in their system here because it's still dropping off the face of the earth here for no reason at the bottom. Okay, now we're back. Yeah, they had a glitch. All right, so this yellow line is crypto, guys. So these are Google Trends. This is worldwide trends, people searching on Google. Again, this encapsulates YouTube as well because Google owns YouTube, right? So we're getting what people are searching for here. Crypto, nice little run up. SHIB and Shiba Inu. I mean, it's still pretty solid the past hour. Let's pull it out the last 4 hours and get a better idea of what's going on. Okay, still solid. Still solid. Let's do the full day just to see, real quick. Okay, kind of bottomed out a little bit, but now we're back up. Yeah, see, we're trending back up in terms of people searching for it. That's good, guys. This leads to people buying. The first step is people typing in, "Hey, what the heck is this? Let me get some more information." Right before you buy, you get some information on it, usually, right? Okay, so that's good. That's good. People are getting insight. They're getting info. Look, see, it's going up. Okay, hold ADA forever or close to? How many Bitcoins do you own? Bitcoins, I own one. One, Adam. Look at Sheba. What do you think of? Have you seen the movement on FYI? If Sheba reaches $1, many of us would be millionaires. Yeah, I know, man. I know, Thundergun. Let's do it, man. That would be awesome, right? Hi, hodlers. What's up? So funny, 37. How you doing? Sandeep Nawal. That was mine. That was my name drop there. Make sure you check that guy out, though. Seriously. Milk token. I don't know anything about the milk token. I do know about Alaska Inu. I don't know why. I shouldn't have just mentioned that again. It's probably going to run up again. Last night we had that thing running up. Alaska Inu. It's got a cool logo. I'll give it that. Should I buy Sheba? Yeah, why not, Beefy? Why not? Only what you can afford. GT, hearts, nice. Welcome, man. Sunshine, daydreams. Love the emojis. Okay, Lydia. Torn ADA. Yeah, big fan of ADA. The Johnsons, what's up? What's up, man? That's another true OG. He was in here 3 nights ago. The Johnsons, he's an avid guest, if you will. Tariq, welcome, man. I already know the process. Went through the SafeMan. Yeah, through for SafeMan. What'd you learn from that experience, Tarek? Tarek, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Dave, you're still in here. What's up, man? When it recovers, which it will, then you'll cry for... Yeah, exactly. Don't be that person, right? Is it possible for it to hit 1 cent? I think it is. Yeah, the 2. It definitely is. What's Sheba price right now? Sheba price right now? Let's take a look. HSN. We'll take a look. Scroll down. We're still in the top 30, guys. 1835. Okay. Again, we have a lot of support at the 1.5 level, guys. A lot of support at the 1.5, so we're okay. And again, this is something I mentioned before, but I'll mention it again because I know there's new people in and out. Guys, we're at 650 viewers. This is awesome. Appreciate you all being here. Joseph, I just bought 5.4 million. Awesome. What's a Sheba price right now? Okay, here we go. Sheba price right now is 1825. But here's what I want to show you. 7-day. This is what I like here. See how that's flattening out? That's nice. That's good. That's good. Not a lot of action the last 3 days, right? That's good. After the Vitalik drop right here, right? That's nice. So I'll leave that right there. Or I'll leave it up here. Okay, so where to buy SHIB? I get mine on crypto.com, Radmir. I get mine on crypto.com. There's a lot of places out there. I know Binance has it. Not sure if you're in the U.S. If you're outside the U.S., Binance has it. I get mine on crypto.com. I'm sure a bunch of other people can throw where they get it in chat as well. Alan, what's up? Read that India didn't sell their Shiba yet. They might wait for it to be more pricey. Alan, here's what I heard about India today. Three different places have opened up Shiba Inu. Three different brokerages in India have opened it up, so that's pretty awesome. Sheba, we listed at Robinhood. I don't know about that, Zishan. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on Robinhood. It's definitely not there now. It's not on Webull or Robinhood or Coinbase or anything like that. Crypto.com's a good one though. I'm not a sponsor for them, but I feel like I should be. I mention them a lot. Radmir, where to buy SHIB? Oh yeah, I just mentioned that. Okay. Not everyone could be millionaires. Yeah, that's true. It's only the 1%, right? Killing just bought 1.9 mil. Let's go. Have you seen Moonlight token? Have not seen Moonlight. I'm focused on Shiba Inu right now. I did try to swap. Okay, forget. Nice. Buy Key. Oh gosh, Kishu again. Okay, I'll hold Shiba for the long. I will too. All right. Do you think we'll be burning coins? Maybe, Mary. I hope so. Fernandez, Mary Fernandez, welcome. Thank you guys so much for liking this video up. I'm going to have to go in probably about 3, 4, or 5 minutes, something like that. But I'm going to hang out with you guys for a little bit longer, answer some of your chat questions here. This has been a lot of fun. Really appreciate everybody coming back. If you do have to go on your way out, make sure you just like the video, hit the subscribe button. Be looking for some more content coming soon, too. I appreciate you all being here. Does SHIB have any big promoters? Yeah, Vitalik. Yeah, Vitalik. What do you think of Moonlight token? Oh, yeah, don't know anything about it. I have 1 billion coins, by the way. Nice, Mary. Sean Kennelly, anyone heard of Bitcoin? Nice, bro. I like it. I like it. What about Kishu Dude? Oh, gosh, I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that. Eric, how many? Wow, that's a lot, man. Hold it on. Hold it till 1 cent. I like it, brother. Like it, Eric. Bear Green, just got my SHIB. Nice. Nice. That's awesome. Awesome. Alan, welcome, man. Alex, any coin recommendations to add to my portfolio other than Sheba? Alex, yeah, let's do that. Let's take a look at some of the ones I like. I'll just tell you, and again, guys, this is what I own. I mean, this isn't what you should do. You got to do your own research. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Chainlink, VeChain, Polygon, Shiba Inu. That's my crypto portfolio for you right there. One that I really like though, Alex, if I'm going to give you one to hitch your wagon to that's really cheap right now that I think has a lot of potential, it's Polygon. That's just my opinion. All right, Svan, I have 90 million SHIB. Nice. Nice, brother. Polydoge. What the heck's Polydoge? Is that seriously now a coin, Polydoge? Oh my gosh. Alaska Inu. Yeah, Warsaw, we've talked about it. It's pretty good, actually. I'm not going to buy it. I haven't bought it, but well, I shouldn't say it looks good right now. I looked at it last night and it looked good. Looked good last night. Almost casual Polygon all day. Respect, man. I agree. Idris, man, there's so much going on in chat, guys. I'm sorry, I can't keep up with it all. Sean, what about Dot? Sean, I know a lot of people love Polkadot. I'm just, and I don't even want to say that I don't love it. I just haven't done the homework on it, so I don't want to give you my thoughts because I haven't done the research. Safe Moon, I know there's a lot of Safe Mooners out there. I don't own Safe Moon, but I know a lot of people do. Best price to buy SHIB. It's always good price. Always good price, AMS. Shiba Inu. So we should hold on our SHIB. Yeah, man. 7 mil. I'm with you, Juan. I'm right there with you, man. I'm holding. Sean, I have 1 trillion. Right on, brother. Best price to buy SHIB. Best price to buy SHIB AMS. The closer it gets to our support line, which is a 1.5. So, I mean, you could make the argument that actually right now it's dropping a little bit. Right now would be a pretty good time, but it went back up. See how quickly that works. But we have a lot of support at the 1.5 level, so anything right there or below, good time to get in. How much will $1,000, Sean? It'll get you quite a bit. It'll get you quite a bit. What about DOT? We have ATH now. What about DOT? We have ATH now. What do you mean, Dan? What about DOT? ATH now? Oh gosh. Awash, you bought 1 million Shiba Inu? Nice, brother. The Johnsons got up 10 mil today. 8 million. Nice, man. Nice. Bought 8 million today. Ann Patterson, nice. Only have 3 million SHIB, nice. Nice. Guys, thanks so much for joining the stream. Thanks so much. You're awesome, bro. Awesome live chat. Good job. Thanks, Fasil. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks for being here. Anonymous Thug, SHIB got hella haters. Yeah, that's all right. We'll let them hate. We'll let them hate. All-time high. Gotcha, Dan. I didn't know that acronym. Sorry, brother. All-time high. Yeah, man. DOT, man. I got to start looking at it now, huh? I guess I got to start looking into DOT. Where are we at with DOT? Yeah, it's looking really good. It's almost up 15% today. It's looking really nice. $47. Yeah, all-time high. Polkadot. Yeah, I'm going to start looking into it, Dan. I don't own any yet, but tell you what, it's closing in on XRP's market cap too. Look at that. It's getting close. It's got a little bit ways to get up into the Cardano and Tether range, but Polkadot is, I mentioned this, guys, on stream last night. XRP, I think, is falling. I think it'll be out of the top 10 in the near distant future because I think Polkadot's running. I think Chainlink's going to run. And I think VeChain eventually will run Solana. All right, so, man, we've got 714 people in here. Make sure you guys like up the video. 714 of you, but only 245 likes. Come on, help me out a little bit. Let me at least get to 250, right? Get to 250. Subscribe to the channel too. Can't buy Tesla with Bitcoin. I think it'll be ADA next. Maybe. You understand my question wrong. Entire India and China is buying Shiba. It gets more and more listed. Right, Fiji. Right, Fiji. A lot of money goes into Shiba, but it's nevertheless going down. So where is the money? Well, Fiji, we don't know that they're buying, SHIB right off the bat. What I'm talking about is just the exposure, right? I think eventually that'll lead to buying pressure. Daisy Godoy, is it too late to buy? No, it's not too late. What do you think the price predictions will be? I don't give out any predictions, but some people have said half cent by the end of the year. Well, that would be nice. Like the main chat. Yeah, appreciate it, Andy. Appreciate it, guys. Hey, thank you all so much. This is awesome. AD Snipers, buy a Tesla SHIB. Yeah, I love it. I love it. ADA is awesome. Yeah, it is. Love ADA. Definitely. Definitely ADA's got a lot of potential. Yeah, Cardano just set an all-time high the other day. Love it. They're going to list on... I don't think so, Tassos. I don't think so. Real Cron, what utility does Sheba have? Is it a good project? Well, the utility's still coming together. I think it has a narrative. It has a good story right now, Real Cron, which for a meme coin, that's where it starts, right? The story with Doge started when Elon started talking about it, right? Well, now we got Vitalik with Shiba Inu, so that's good. That's where it starts. So, yeah, we need some upward pressure here, guys. I'd like to get back in the $7 billion mark. Oh, thanks, Rue. Yeah, mine must be not updating as fast, but awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate it. Trevor's YouTube channel, read Sheba white papers. I had looked at it. We got to pull that back up, Trev. But Trev, let me know what you know. Entire ecosystem is being built. Okay, it's being built. Okay, we'll have to on another stream. We'll look closer at that. Appreciate that. Drank Sinatra. What is it going to take to go up to a penny? Well, it's going to take a lot to get to a penny, but someday it'll get there, I think. Sitting on 1.85 billion SHIB. Samir, nice. Nice, brother. Sneaky Modi is Doge good. Yeah, I like Doge. Definitely like Doge, man. Yeah, I think Doge has solidified itself, man. It's a top 5 coin now. It's crazy. Trevor, with you, brother. Yeah, we'll have a stream there. We'll have a stream on that. That'll be fun. We'll look at the white papers on a stream. Sheba to stable coin, $1. Tesla payment, Shiba Inu. That would be sweet, huh? Buy a Tesla in SHIB. That'd be pretty cool. Litecoin, any good? Litecoin's been around for a long time, NA, and it is on Robinhood, which kind of helps its cause. It ran up actually not too long ago, above 400, I think. Let's pull it up a little bit. Designed to provide fast, secure, low-cost payments, but I think it's got one of the some of the same issues that Bitcoin has. But of course, people will be looking to perfect it, right? This makes it an attractive alternative. Okay, wait. Okay, I knew it had some kind of Bitcoin. Its main benefit comes from its speed. Okay, so it's a little faster than Bitcoin, but still not as fast as the proof of stake will be, right? Still not that new technology, right? We talk about Icp Coin. We could take a look at that. We could take a look at Icp. Digibyte, I don't really mess with it. Icp, we'll take a look at it. Oh, we mentioned this last night. I don't know a lot about this, but man, it came out of nowhere, huh? Internet computer. I'll have to dig a little bit deeper before we talk about this one, because I don't know too much about it yet. James, Litecoin is very good. It's cheap transactions. Okay, all right, James, appreciate that. Yeah, anytime you guys know something about coin, drop it in there. Help each other out. Ryan Russell's Robinhood listing crap, or that's really happening. I haven't heard that, Ryan. I haven't heard that. We'll see. That would definitely help Shiba Inu, though. If we get the Robinhood listing, that would definitely help. We're going to get more listings. That's for sure. We got 3 in India today. 3 listings today in India. Okay, John Russell Sheba are pretty amazing. Come on, man. Mofo helps out grow this channel. Also, hit the like button before you leave. Appreciate it, Mofo Worthy. Appreciate that, man. Hit that subscribe button on your way out. Make sure you like up the video. Thank you. Thank you. Jake Lee, thoughts on Bitcoin Diamond? I don't like any of those Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Diamond. I don't like any of that. I like Bitcoin. Just give me Bitcoin. That's all I need. Set an order on Binance for $11 worth of SHIB. Nice. Nice. That's awesome. Nice, McGamer. Awesome, brother. Fabian, what price do you see Sheba end of 2001? No price targets yet for me. I want to, spend a little bit more time letting things play out, seeing what happens. So once we get some more insight, some more data to look at, maybe I'll give a price prediction, but too early to tell. Guys, be patient. Sheba's in a correction mode right now. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and here's the thing, Alan. I think you're right on, man. I like how it's just being stable right now. It's just stable, right? Which is good. It's not going down. It's just stable. Spot 10 million. Nice. 6 million. Nice. Take a look at BITG ETH Classic. I don't like Ethereum Classic, Neil. No, I like Ethereum. Just give me the plain old Ethereum. Ethereum Classic's old, outdated. That was the initial Ethereum, but yeah, just give me Ethereum, regular Ethereum, for sure. Okay. All right, guys, I got to head out of here. I got to be up early, but this is a lot of fun. Make sure you like the video on your way out, subscribe to the channel, and I will be back with you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.